Hello, Americans and patriots. How you doing? Well, they did it again. The deep state and the BS fraud case in New York City just came down, and Judge Engoron has said that Donald Trump has to pay out $355 million in fines for a fraud case that, one, there was no fraud, fact, there was no fraud victim, fact, and in a case where the bankers all testified on behalf of Donald Trump. Fact. A trial that involved no jury, just the judge's hands alone. So we knew this was going to be fraud from the get-go. Kangaroo court. And on top of that, Donald Trump cannot serve on the board of any company for 3 years. His two sons can't serve for 2 years. I think they have to pay out $4 million each now. So, what they're trying to do is, they're trying to bankrupt the man, take away all his money, in hopes he'll just drop out and go away. And I'm sure that's why Nikki Haley is still in the race for the GOP. And it's not going to happen. Trump is not going away. The people behind him, except for the diehard brainwash or diehard haters, no one cares about what they think anyway. And you add on the fact that he owes $83.3 million to E. Jean Carroll on a BS defamation case where the jury ruled that there was no rape, but he defamed her for lying about a rape that never happened. Yeah, this is where we're at right now. Where E. Jean Carroll goes on MSNBC and brags to Rachel Maddow, we're going to go shopping, we're going to have a great time. Kangaroo court. This is what Judge Engoron did. Engel douchebag is what his name should be. That's exactly what he is. But I always say, do unto others as you want to you. Or the worldly phrase that what comes around goes around. Or my favorite one, boomerangs always come back. If E. Jean Carroll and these women think they got away with this, they haven't. You think if Judge Engoron thinks he got away with this, he hasn't either. It's just like the story in the book of Job, when Job lost everything but got everything back sevenfold. Donald Trump is going to get his back. He'll end up being richer than he ever was before. His children will inherit it, and his great-grandchildren will inherit it, and good for him. They're hoping to bankrupt Trump in hopes that he just drops out of the presidency, which is not happening, which is why Nikki Haley's probably still hanging around. She's probably looking by, yes, if only they could take some more money away from him. Maybe I could become the GOP nominee and be the bullseye the Democrats want me to be. And I could fall in line with the rest of the rhinos like Mitt Romney and John McCain and Gerald Ford and Robert Dole, who say this is their time and only they could win, so they could just lose all over again. This is where we're at, everyone. Take notes. I said it's going to get turbulent this year. We're only in February. It's going to get worse as the year goes along. And with Donald Trump also winning the U.S. Virgin Island primary by like 50 points. So now he's chalked up 3 states and all the U.S. Virgin Territories, and South Carolina is next. Trump is not going away, and Trump is going to become president. And when he does become president, that's when the cleanup really begins. And they'll probably try to lay out a whole bunch of traps for Trump. It's not going to work. I would sharpen that guillotine very fast and warm up that gas chamber because it's going to be under heavy use. Like and subscribe. Comments below. What's your opinion? I'd like to know. Keep the country in prayer. Jesus Christ is still king, and we'll talk to you later.